Juliet Foxtrot 1, Juliet Foxtrot 1, Juliet Foxtrot 1, this is Sabre 22. Sabre 22 on 308.6.
Loneship Magma 01, good afternoon. Currently on heading 360 with the buggy, still maintaining VID markings position. We are ready for instructions. No visual on packs inside the cockpit, and there might be two faxes on the tail, in the rear part of the aircraft. For Magma 01, you want us to still maintain the track. Watching from Magma 01, we are both good to with X-Lux. The aircraft is now heading 030. We might enter back to airspace in 122 miles. Loneship Magma 01, the aircraft is on the right turn, crossing heading 055, maintaining flight level 360 and back on your track. Nice answer, still on heading 360, and we are now stopping turn on heading 065. Standby for time.
Maculus 1, radar contact.
Loneship Magma 01, we have 25 to 30 mic autonomy. We might push up to 30 minutes depending on aircraft evolution. And push up to 30 mic playtime in case of maintaining parameters.
Maculus 1, copy task, BID and radio interrogation later on to the right side.
We are Victor Mike Charlie, conditions at flight level 360. For Magma 01, we do copy that the German QRA will be on the right side. Now for Magma 01, we still have 20 mic autonomy, master arm is on safe position, and we had good information that the German QRA will be on the right side of the aircraft. Copy for Magma 01, the bogey is on the left turn now, and we are crossing heading 055. This is for Magma 01, still no movement for me inside the cockpit, and I do not see any faxes inside.
Maculus 1 is turning right, heading 340. And copy your right-hand side, cockpit check after release Magma. Maculus 01. Maculus 1 lost lock, bogey up. Maculus 1 clean.
And Loneship Magma 01, we are steady now, heading 040 with the buggy. NAFAM, still no movement inside the cockpit.
Maculus 1, radar contact. Maculus 1, strangle, Charlie and Splitter. 3 Alpha 360. And Maculus 01 is playtime 45 mic. Maculus 1.
Let's just expect that we are still Victor Mike conditions, but we are entering kind of cirrus layer that might occult visibility for the Typhoon.
Maculus 1, radar contact. Maculus 1 will go. Maculus 1 is descending angels 40. Not yet, but it's looking hazy below. Maculus 1 is decelerating speed 0.7. Maculus 1 is tele 1 only padlocked. Right 030, Maculus 01. Maculus 01. Maculus 1 is a good radar contact, tele visual in and out of the clouds. Standing flight level 370, Maculus 01. Maculus 01, request Judy.
Left 240, skip it for Magma 01, and we'll request flight level 450 inbound France. Magma 01 descending flight level 350 and heading 240 by the left.
Maculus 1 is establishing 1 mile trail. AFAM.
Magma 01, steady flight level 350 in the turn for heading 240. Left 240 in the turn and steady flight level 350.
Maculus 1 is now 1 mile in trail, descending bogey altitude. Maculus 1, copy task, cockpit check and radio interrogation on 121.5.
Copy, Magma 01, climbing flight level 390, steady on heading 240. And Mod Charlie on for Magma 01. Magma 01, go ahead. Maastricht radar 342.625. Thank you very much, Loneship.
Go ahead, again frequency. 312.225, Maculus 01.
Loneship, Magma 01. Magma 01, we have no contact with Maastricht radar on 342.625. Copy, 342.650.
Loneship checking frequency 123, 123, test out.
Loneship, Maculus 01, standing by authentication. Alpha Golf, Charlie reads, Victor, you authenticate, Alpha Golf, Romeo. Cockpit check is in progress. Loneship, Maculus 01. I also do not observe anybody in the cockpit. And depending on the sun lighting, I do not observe anybody else in the cabin as well. So no movement in the cabin. The Maculus 01 is squawking 7500 instead of the bogey. And next radio interrogation on VHF line. 132055, the Maculus 01. The Maculus 01 is squawking 7700. And copy new destination is Lage and Lage RS10. Yeah, stand by for that. Maculus 01. Loneship Maculus 1, request the alternate destination Lage. Copy Maculus 1. Maculus 1 will call and playtime approximately 30 mic. After the afterburner, request probably a left-hand 360 to re-intercept. Just be prepared for that in case of loss of visual. Maculus 01. Kilo 1, still no vision of the aircraft whatsoever. No movement in the cockpit, still also with the afterburner. Currently I'm in the left-hand 360. Kilo 1 will go. Now passing heading 240. Kilo 1 will go. And Lima Kilo 1 is now loaded. 01, copy. Lima Kilo 1 request flight level 350 to re-intercept. Lima Kilo 1. Negative. Lima Kilo 1. Lima Kilo 1. XP accelerating point 8. Lima Kilo 1 is accelerating point 95. And call on 132.055 was unsuccessful. Lima Kilo 1. Lima Kilo 1 is good radar contact. Aircraft Delta, correction, Oscar Echo Fox Golf Romeo Cessna551 German airspace heading 040 and flight level 360. You've been intercepted by the German QRA. If you read, contact me on 121.5. Sorry. Lima Kilo 1 will go. And Lima Kilo 1 is telecoms. Lima Kilo 1. Lima Kilo 1 will go. It's just a little bit hazy up here, but no factor. Lima Kilo 1. Play time with the current destination and alternate gonna be 20 Mike. Lima Kilo 1 will go. Depending on the larger QRA arrival time at the target, we might also be able to go back to normal. If possible, that would make the most sense.
That's right, even the sheeple hit the notification bell. Well done, you sheeple.